Hello guys, good day. Today is the part 2 of my Ikea trip. The first Ikea sold household goods like pens, wallets, and frames. It took 5 years before the store got into the furniture business. At first, the founder, Kamprad, was using milk trucks to deliver his products. He started selling furnitures made by local manufacturers in 1947. Mail order catalog was an essential part of Ikea's business from the start. It was launched in 1951. People were skeptical about the quality of the furniture he was selling because of the low price. So the founder rented an old workshop and transformed it into a showroom to display all his furnitures. After several years, he was able to solve the large expense of the products by shaping when he took the legs of a coffee table so it could be packed flat. From that time, all furnitures were packed flat. It saved customers and Ikea a lot of money. Kamprad's manufacturers began to boycott Ikea due to his low prices. The owner and the founder solved this by bringing production and designs in-house. Ikea opened in Norway in 1963 and in Denmark in 1969. From then on, Ikea conquered Europe. The biggest market for Ikea, with 53 stores, is in Germany, followed by the US with 51 stores. Worldwide, Ikea has 433 stores in 38 countries. The owner never borrowed money. He kept Ikea private. He died in 2018 at the age of 91. Until his death, Kamprad continued to travel around the globe, visiting new Ikea stores. He was frugal despite his wealth. He drove the same Volvo for more than 20 years and flew economy class. He was very shy and never gave an interview. Beds have names of places in Norway. Sofas are named after the town in Sweden. Kitchen tables derive their names from geography in Finland, and the rugs have mostly Danish names. Ikea continues to grow even through the pandemic. Job listings since May 2020 have increased by 200%. Indeed, Ikea have come a long way since Kamprad founded Ikea in 1943. For now, Ikea is one of the most well-known home furnishing brand in the world.
Hello guys, dumaan muna kami dito sa mga chicheria at saka mga chocolates. Alam mo na, chocolate is life. Chocolate